How to reset Monopoly Go account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can reset your Monopoly Go account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to reset your Monopoly Go account, all you have to do is open up Monopoly Go and then just tap the three lines option from the top right hand side here. Then you'll find an option here known as settings. Tap on it. Once you go to settings, to reset our account we have to delete our account and then create a new account. That's the only thing that we can do. So you can tap on account deletion here, select a reason as to why you want to delete your Monopoly Go account, and then just go ahead and then tap the delete my account option to delete it. Once you delete your account, you will be logged out, all your progress will get resetted, and if you want you can just go ahead and then create a new account. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.